Hey friends, welcome to the Golden Rules. Today's topic is adding keywords for SEO to your Shopify store or any general website. Guys, it took a lot of efforts and valuable time to make these slides for YouTube videos. So please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon also. And any queries or suggestion is welcomed in comment section. And a lot of valuable content is going to be there in whole video, therefore stay tuned and watch complete videos so you don't miss any important info. So guys, let's get started. A small and must to know basics of SEO. Keyword appear in search queries that people enter in search engine. For example, a person might search on Google for blue shoes in Canada, but the keywords in this search would be blue shoes and Canada. To make your store appear higher in search result, you should try to find out keywords your customer might use to find your products and those keywords to your content. So overall, you have to search a keyword which are used by your customers. You can also use online tools to get keywords ideas and find out how often a keyword is used in a search query. It's best to choose keywords that are specific to your product and business, but that appear often in searches. It's best to choose keywords that are specific in your product and business, but that appear often in searches. Keep in mind that the more traffic your keywords get, the more difficult it will be for your store to show up at the top of searches because you will have more competitions. A point to note: add keywords by using them in readable, natural phrase and sentences. Customers won't click on links that use keywords in random way. And search engine might also ignore websites that don't use readable phrases. Okay guys, there are 5 main places that you can add keywords to improve search engine optimization for your online store. The first place is page titles. The second place is meta description. Third place is alt tags. Fourth, H1 header, and the last one, a page's body content. Have you ever heard about these 5 points? Then stay tuned, you are going to understand it in a very simple way. So let me explain you that how to implement these crucial and very important 5 things in your website. Now first, edit the title and meta tags for a page. That was our first topic, this one and this one. So the title tag and meta description are 2 of the major important elements of SEO. They display in search engine result and provide information to people who are looking for things related to your products. A good title and description will encourage customers to click the link in search result to visit your stores. Now what you can do to edit the title and meta description for a product page, collection page, web page or blog post. Now this is the image from Shopify store. You can see that you have to click here to edit your title and description. Okay, in the search engine listing preview section, click edit website SEO as shown there. Okay, in the page title field, you have to enter descriptive title. The title will display as a link in search engine result. I hope you are aware of that. You can enter up to 70 characters in the title because that is good for SEO. Now enter a description for search engine listing. Make sure to include relevant keywords to help new customer find your link and to include your store name. The most important thing here is use natural, readable phrases rather than just keywords. Guys, this is most crucial. These small things works very well, but 99% of people ignores this. You can enter up to 320 characters in the description. Because 320 characters is accepted by most of the search engines. And finally then you can click the save button. Next, for the main Shopify store, that was for a particular page, a particular product page, collection page, web page, blog post, but this is for your main store, like an example that xyz.com or abc.com. so this is for your main domain. Okay, set the title and description for your online store. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding, and I will show you an example later. To set the title tag and meta description of the home page of your online store in Shopify, what you can do, from the Shopify admin, you go to online store and preferences, enter title and meta description for your store following SEO best practices and click save. Finally, now overall, how can you write a perfect title, either for your page, either for your website, either for your domain, whatever it is. Now search engine compare the title tag with your page content to determine whether the page title matches what the page is about. You can optimize the title for search engines in a few ways. Use a unique descriptive title. Now the next important point is include your most important target keywords for each product, collection, web page or blog post near the beginning of the title. I hope you guys are understanding. Now enter title that is 70 characters or fewer, because most search engine will shorten longer titles, and it's also good for SEO. Now make sure that your title tag is readable. So now the next point is how to write a good description. This is very common thing. The meta description can be set for web pages, yes, product pages, and collection pages and blog posts in Shopify. Okay, so you can set description for anything, for collection page, for product page, or for your main website domain description. You can also include description for your main domain, and each page has a unique meta description that uses plain direct language. A good description will lead more people to click the link to your store. Now the third point here is image alt text. Search engine can read the text in your content but can't read the image. You can use descriptive alternative text to help search engines find your content. Alt text is also important accessibility feature for people who have visual impairment. Guys, when you are writing alt text, use keywords from the page where the image displays. Okay, and use readable phrases. Readable phrases is very common and very important. You must have to follow, and that describes what is pictured. You should add the alt text, not what you want someone to think about the image. So the point here is not what you want someone to think about image. For what you can set alt text for a product image, collection features image, or blog post feature image. The process is a little bit different for a product image than the other two. Now how to do it in Shopify? To set alt text from a product image, from your Shopify admin, go to products, click the product with the image that you want to edit, click the alt link as you can see here. Okay, now enter the descriptive alternate text for the image. People who are not understanding the alt text, let me tell them that it's like just like a keyword you are adding in an image, and when people search that specific keyword, your image will pop up in search engine, and thus this increases the chances to get a visitor. To set the alt text for a collection, a blog post feature image, click the name of collection or blog post that you want to edit. Under the image, click update and then click edit image. Enter descriptive alternative text for the image and then finally click save. Now the number 4th is add keywords to the H1 header for a page. Hope you guys have heard of this. If not, then don't worry. An H1 header is the main heading at the top of a page, not the title, the main heading. There is a difference between, okay, let me explain you. This is the main title, you can say, okay, and when I will write that the H1 topic, this is my title and this is the heading. Don't get confused with the heading and title. When you create a product page, collection page, web page or blog post, Shopify uses the title that you enter to generate the H1 header for the page. The H1 headers are usually displayed as the largest text size on a page, and search engines use them to determine what the page content is about. So you can observe that how important is it. Search engine uses H1 headers directly to observe, to determine what the page content is about, and then it decides that the page should be shown at which place in search result. And the second important thing, when you enter a page title, include your main keywords, so the H1 header will automatically include them. So try to include the main topic, the main keywords in both H1 header and title. To add keywords to an H1 header, select the product, collection, web page or blog post that you want to edit. In the title field, enter a descriptive title that includes your keyword. This is the title and this is your content, and this is your H1 heading, and these are your contents. Okay, you have to use the keywords in both here and here. Okay, hope you guys understand that. Using keywords in page content. When you write content for a product or collection description, web page or blog post, use readable, unique phrases that include some of your keywords. So guys, the most common thing you have heard in this video, that readable, unique phrases. So please don't avoid this. Think about some unique keywords, some readable keywords which have some traffic on it, and you can use some tools to search that your keyword has some traffic or not, and what competition is there. If you want a video on the tools available online to analyze your keywords, then tell me in the comment box. I will make a new video on free available tools online to analyze keywords. Search engine compares a page content with its headers to make sure that page is about what it claims to be about. So I hope you have got it. When you write product description, make sure that you don't copy text that's provided to you by manufacturer, because that description might already be used by other website. Focus on quality writing over quantity. Writing a quality description of 320 words will be more beneficial than writing 1500 words as a description. Search engine uses longer content to help understand your page better, so they use longer content. Make sure that every page has at least 250 words of descriptive text, and that information pages and blogs have at least 500 words. Guys, do you know any secret idea to increase SEO? Then comment now. Wanna say thanks to me for the information provided in video? Then hit the subscribe button and give a like to the video, and suggestion for upcoming videos are most welcome. And dislike the video if you don't like any information, but must tell me about what you did not like in the video so I can make it better for the next time. I will meet you in next video. Till then, keep smiling, enjoy your life, and have a nice day.